Hey, it's Jelena from JelenaSorska.com, and today I'd like to discuss a very common question that most marketers ask when they are just getting started in the home-based business industry. And the question is, what is the best marketing strategy that you can use in your business? Here's the thing, there are tons and tons of strategies that you can utilize in your home business, especially if you're marketing your business online, so such as video marketing, blogging, social media marketing, paid advertising, solo ads, all the different kind of stuff. It's even overwhelming just to think about them, right? So which one should you choose and to start building your business the right way? So I've been asking that question a lot myself when I was just getting started in marketing my business online. And the answer is pretty simple. Any marketing strategy works great if you're focused on only one strategy for an extended period of time. So I highly encourage you to choose only one marketing strategy and focus on it for at least 30 to 90 days. You need to get results with this strategy, and only after that you can move on to the next strategy and add them gradually one by one. So consistency always wins the game, right? So focus only one marketing strategy for at least 30 to 90 days and master it. Get your hands on every training you can get on, and learn everything you can, whether it is blogging or social media marketing. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave your comments below. What marketing strategy are you currently using and what's working best for you? Take care.